Now let us talk about intellectual property facts. The Indian government has taken several initiatives to create a conducive environment for the protection of intellectual property rights of innovators and creators by bringing about changes at legislative and policy level. So, in addition, specific focus has been placed on improved service delivery by upgrading infrastructure, building capacity, and using state-of-the-art technology in the functioning of IP offices in the country, intellectual property offices in the country. So, this measure has resulted in sweeping changes in the IP administration within the country. So, the aims are establishing a vibrant IP regime in the country, an efficient processing of IP intellectual property applications by inducting additional manpower, augmenting IT facilities and automation in IP offices, adopt best practices in IP processing and strengthening public delivery of IP services, highest level of transparency and user friendliness. So, strengths of the Indian IPR regime is the IPR framework in India is stable and well established from a legal, judicial, and administrative point of view, and is fully compliant with the agreement of trade-related aspects of IPR. So, India is committed to a wide range of international treaties and conventions relating to IPRs. So, wide range of awareness programs are being conducted by the government also. So, during the last few years, Indian IP offices have undergone major improvement in terms of upgradation of IP legislation, infrastructure facilities, human resources, the processing of IP applications, computerization, database, quality services to stakeholders, transparency in functioning, and free access to IP data through a dynamic website. So, state-of-the-art integrated and IT-enabled offices buildings have been created using the last few years in New Delhi, Kolkata, and Chennai, and Mumbai, Ahmedabad, housing central wings for patents and design and trademarks and geographical indications. So the patent office is headquartered at Kolkata with branches at New Delhi, Chennai, and Mumbai. So the trademark and registry headquartered at Mumbai has branches in Ahmedabad, Chennai, New Delhi, and Kolkata. So patent office, head office at Kolkata, trademark registry at Mumbai, and the head office at Mumbai, but you can find it here also. The design office again in Kolkata, and GI registry is at Chennai. So separate facilities house the ISA, IPA in New Delhi, and additionally there is an IP office archives at Ahmedabad also. So simplified procedure for filing, e-filing facilities and incentives for this SMEs are some of other initiatives in the area of IPRs in India. So types of IPR in India. First is patent. Definition and significance, we'll see about this. Design, trademark, geographical indications, copyright, plant variety protection, semiconductor integrated circuit layout design. So patent. A patent is granted for an invention which is a new product or process that meets conditions of novelty, non-obviousness, and industrial use. So inventive step in the feature is the features of the invention that involves technical advance as compared to existing knowledge, and that makes the invention not obvious to a person skilled in the art. Industrial use means that the invention is capable of being made or used in an industry. The ministry administering the IPR, Department of Industry Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and concerned IP Act, the Patent Act 1970, amended in 2005. Then design. Design refers only to the features of shape, configuration, pattern, ornamentation, composition of color or line or combination thereof, applied to any article, whether 2 or 3 dimensional or in both forms by any industrial process or means, which is the finished article appeal to or are judged solely by the eye. So, ministry administrating this IPR is Department of Industry, Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and this is governed by Design Act 2000. Now, trademark. A trademark can be a device, brand, heading, label, ticket name, packaging, sign, word, letter, number, drawing, picture, emblem, color or combination of colors, a shape of goods, signature or combination thereof. So a trademark means a mark capable of being represented graphically and which is capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one undertaking from those of other undertakings and shall be capable of constituting a trademark. The Ministry administering this IPR, Department of Industry and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The IP Act is 1999, Trademarks Act, amended in 2010. Now, geographical indications. Geographical indications identifies agricultural, natural, and manufactured goods as originating or manufacturing in the territory of a country or a region or a locality in that territory. So, where a given quality, reputation, or other characteristics of such good is essentially attributable to its geographical origin, and in case where such goods are manufactured goods, one of the activities of either. Okay, so the production or of processing of preparation of goods concerned takes place in such territory, region, or locality as the case may be. Ministry administering this IPR is Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion and Ministry of Commerce and this industry, commerce and industry, and IP Act is Geographical Indications of Good Registration Product and Production Act 1999. Now, copyright. The copyright is a right given by the laws to creator of literary, dramatic, and musical and artistic work and producers of cinematograph, films, and sound recordings. In fact, it is a bundle of right things inter alia, right of reproductions, communication to the public, adaptation, and translation of the work. So, Ministry is Human Resource Development, the copyright 1957, and IP Act is 1957. Now, plant variety protection. Protection against the plant varieties, the right of farmers and plant breeders, and to encourage the development of new varieties of plants. So, Ministry administering this IPR is the Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture. And concerned IP Act is the protection of plant varieties and farmer rights. Semiconductor Integrated Circuit Layout Design. The aim of the Semiconductor Integrated Circuit Layout Design Act 2000 is to provide protection of IPR in the area of semiconductor. So, integrated circuit layout design and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Ministry of IPR administering this Department of Electronic and Information Technology and Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, and concerned act is Semiconductor Integrated Circuits Layout Design Act 2000. International Agreement. India is the member of World Trade Organization, is committed to the agreement on trade-related aspects of IP. And India is also a member of World Intellectual Property Organization, a body responsible for the promotion of protection of intellectual property rights throughout the world. So India is also a member of the various important WIPO, that is World Intellectual Property Organization administered international treaties and conventions relating to IPRs. So Budapest Treaty on the international recognition of the deposit of microorganisms for the purpose of patent procedure, Paris Convention for the protection of industrial property, Convention establishing the World Intellectual Property Organization, Berne Convention of the protection of literary and artistic work, Patent Cooperation Treaty, Protocol relating to Madrid Agreement concerning the industrial registration of marks, Madrid Protocol, and Washington Treaty on Intellectual Property in respect of integrated circuits, Nairobi Treaty on the production of Olympic symbol, and Convention of the protection of producers of phonograms against unauthorized duplication of their phonograms. IP administration in India, as I said, you have all these things: patents, ID-enabled processing and computerized flow, dynamic information, industrial design, trademark, Madrid Protocol, automated and transparent functioning of the trademark registry, and the other information, geographical indications also. So, patents, India has taken strong steps in strengthening the patent system in the country. The government aims at establishing a patent regime that is conducive to technological advances and is in the line with the global commitments. And patent application filing at Indian Patent Office has been increasingly consistently over the year, which demonstrates the confidence of the global industry in the Indian patent ecosystems. So, filing and processing of patent applications, examination, grant, and post grant proceeding are carried out at all the 4 patent office locations independently through a virtual network system, which links all 4 patent office. However, there is only one virtual patent office for the purpose of the grant of patents. So, patent is granted for a uniform period of 20 years from the filing date of the patent application for inventions in all fields of technology, and it is territorial right. The Indian Patent Office has been recognized as an international searching authority and an international preliminary examining authority (ISA/IPA) by World Intellectual Property Organization in 2007 under the Patent Cooperation Treaty, and has operationalized the status since 15th October 2013, thus joining the elite group of 17 countries. IT-enabled processing and computerized workflow. All the records are digitized and freely available through the office www.ipindia.nic.in. So every document received in the office is scanned and digitized before taking any action on the document, and is made available through the official website to the public. So the entire processing of patent application is electronic, and information relating to this processing is made available on the website in real time, thereby providing valuable information to the applicants. So instant electronic communication with applicants consequent to filing of a document. Instant email is sent to the application at the mail's IDs and a number registered with the office. Such messages are QR coded to preserve their authenticity. Dynamic information means dynamic utilities are available on the website, which provide useful real-time information such as issue of examination reports in a given month, disposal of applicants, and information about labs and seized patents, etc. So the entire records in all matters which are not prohibited from publication by the statute are made available to the public on the website. So all the documents are digitized as soon as they are received in offices, as I just made. The Patent Office has strong pool of experts for processing of patent applications. At present, it has a strength of 122 examiners and 89 supervising officers. So among them, 42 have doctorate degree, 75 are post-graduates in different branch of science, 25 have postgraduate degree in engineering, and 139 have degree in engineering and technology. And for patents, complete stock and flow information is available on the website. Industrial design. Every design to be registered must pass the universal test of novelty. So, registered design is valid for 10 years and can be further extended by another 5 years. The design cannot be registered if it is not new or original and has been disclosed to the public in India or anywhere in the world by publication. Trademarks. A trademark is used or proposed to be used to distinguish the goods or services of one person from the others in the course of trade. So, though the registration of trademark is not compulsory, registration is a prima facie proof of the title, and it gives the registered proprietor an exclusive right to use the trademark and take legal action in case of any infringement. So, if a trademark is not registered, and if someone not having the right in the trademarks uses that trademark, the proprietor of the trademark can take the common law action of passing off. The initial registration is valid for 10 years, which is renewable for an indefinite period of time. So India also acceded this Madrid Protocol, which allows applicants to file in other countries that are members of the protocol. So a simple form and by payment in one currency, foreign applicants can also file indicating India as the designated country in forms. So this also enables time-bound processing of trademarks application. Now, Madrid Protocol. Indian office is receiving applications for protection of trademarks under the Madrid Protocol and making all correspondence relating thereto online through the gateway provided by this office. Similarly, all communications from the International Bureau regarding international applicants or registration under the Madrid Protocol are made by Indian officers through electronic means only. The automated and transparent functioning of the trademarks registry. All the functions of TMR, trademark, are performed through the trademark system, TMS. So the data entry of all vital information related to this trademark application or a registered trademark has been done, and all the available paper records relating to this trademark applicants or registered trademarks have been digitized, and these are linked with the relevant application or registered trademark in the system. Other informations like the IPO website contains separate gateway for e-filing of trademark applications and free online public search facilities for search of identical or similar trademarks. Trademark e-journal is published every Monday, giving the details of accepted applicants for registration of trademarks and other information. So details of all trademarks applicants or registered trademarks, status of applicant registered trademarks, public notices, copies of important office orders, and circulars and other useful information available in the office website office of the Controller General of Patents, Design and Trademarks. So the complete stock and flow information is also available on the website. So public can see on real-time basis the details of the examination of trademark applications, show cause hearings, publication in the trademark journal, registration of trademarks, and disposal of this application by way of abandonment or refusal. Geographic indications. The Geographical Indications Registry is a statutory organization set up at Chennai for registration of the GI Act with the objective of providing registration and protection of this geographical indication GI relating to the goods. An application for registration of graphical indication can also be filed by foreign entities for registering of their GI in India in accordance with the provision of TRIPS. Now, a manual is available for practice and procedure, which is in place to ensure uniformity and consistency in practice. Facilities offered by the Patent Office, filing applications by foreign applicant claiming priority, simplified procedure for filing national phase applications, e-filing facilities, an incentive for online filing, and concession for small entities, and facilities offered by the design wings to applicants and stakeholders, and facilities offered by the trademarks registry to applicants, stakeholders, etc. Now, filing applications by foreign applicants claiming a priority. With India being a member of the Paris Convention and PCT, this provides all the filing facilities as mandated under these arrangements to applicants for filing conventions and national phase patent applications. Simplified procedure for filing of national phase applications. The procedure of filing a national phase application in India, which is corresponding to PCT international publication, is effortless in that only one form is required to be filled. The rest of the contents of the applications are obtainable by the Patent Office directly from the servers of International Bureau of World International or Intellectual Property Organization. E-filing facilities for filing an application for patent or any document in the Patent Office. Comprehensive e-filing service is available at the official website with the facility for making e-payment, and there is no need of personally visiting the office. So this was the basic idea about India's work for IPRs. IPRs include patents, trademarks, and this designing of specific entities.